Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Drive, access and manage files online step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Type Drive, Google, into the address bar, and press Enter. If you see the Google Drive page, look for the Sign In button on the top right. Click Sign In to begin the login process. Enter your Google email address or phone number linked to your account. Click Next to continue. Type your Google account password carefully. Click Next to complete the sign-in. If you have two-step verification enabled, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. After logging in, you will land on the Google Drive Home or My Drive area. On the left panel, click My Drive to see your main file list. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find a file or folder by name. Click a file once to select it and see basic details. Double-click a file to open it in a new tab if it is a Google file or supported format. To upload files, click the New button on the left side. Choose File Upload to upload a single file from your computer. Choose Folder Upload to upload an entire folder from your computer. Wait until the upload finishes and confirm the file appears in your drive. To create a folder, click New and select Folder. Type a folder name and click Create. To move a file, right-click it and choose Move To. Then pick a destination folder. To rename a file or folder, right-click it and select Rename. Then press Enter. To delete something, right-click it and choose Move to Trash. To restore deleted items, open Trash on the left panel. Right-click the item and select Restore. To share a file, right-click it and choose Share. Enter an email address, set the permission level, and click Send. To get a shareable link, click Copy Link and adjust access settings if needed. To log out safely, click your profile icon in the top right and select Sign Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.